Have you looked at your corporate images lately and wondered if AI was used? The new Content Credentials feature highlights how an asset was created and by who. This release also makes it easy to transcribe video, as well as the new updates to Asset Selector and the CDN service. Adobe Experience Manager's innovation addresses customer experience management in the era of AI. This is done through three key tenets that every brand needs to invest in to be successful: content for all, performant experiences, and predictive insights. First up for this release is Content Credentials in AEM Assets. Content Credentials are a new kind of tamper-evident metadata. They enable creators to add extra information about themselves and their creative process directly to their content at export or download. Content Credentials are part of a growing ecosystem of technologies available through the Content Authenticity Initiative, along with over 1,200 members. You can find and interact with Adobe's current Content Credentials implementations in Adobe Firefly, Photoshop, Lightroom, and XD, and now within Adobe Experience Manager Assets as a cloud service. Next up is AI-powered captions for video with dynamic media. Let's hear from Ria Midha from the AEM team as she walks us through this new capability.
Today I'll be talking about the upcoming video capability for AEM Assets Dynamic Media. Till now, Dynamic Media supported adding multiple audios and captions to the videos and deliver them at scale seamlessly. With this capability, users will be able to generate captions for the videos via AI for more than 60 languages. These captions help make the videos accessible and fit for global distribution. If you already have enabled Dash and multi-audio captions on your environments, you will get this by default with the latest AEM-CS release in July. If not, the prerequisite to get this capability is via raising a support ticket. Let's look into how it works. Here, I've added a new video and let it process. After the video is done processing, I open the Properties page and go to the tab that says Captions and Audio Tracks. This is the tab where I would usually add the additional captions and audios. In the same tab now, with this capability, I can click on Create Caption, and it gives me two options: Convert from Audio and Translate from Captions. When I select Convert from Audio, I can select Existing audio file. Here I have my original audio that I have selected. Now, in the other drop-down in Output Languages, I can select up to multiple languages and press Done. Here I've selected 3 languages: English, Hindi, and Chinese. Once I do that, when I press Save, this automatically starts the process of converting the captions. I can see that the file is processing now. After some time, the files would be processed and AI-based captions would be generated. I can easily preview those captions by clicking on the video file, navigating to the Viewers section, clicking one of the viewers, and playing the file. So here, I can see that all 3 of the captions are generated with my video.
Take a virtual tour of the 8x6-foot supersonic wind tunnel at NASA's Glenn Research Center and discover where NASA...
Have you ever started browsing for an asset only to realize it's not yet been uploaded? The Asset Selector now has additional enhancements, including the new ability to upload while the browse window is open, saving you time directly within the application you are using. Switching now to enhancements for Cloud Manager, here is a self-service configuration of customer managed CDN credentials. This new enhancement reduces the need to call on Adobe support, in this case to configure a bring your own CDN. This will save you time and allow you greater control of your own environments. If you're using the built-in CDN provided as part of Adobe Experience Manager Cloud Service, then you might find the need to manually purge the CDN content. There's now an option to execute a purge command to clear out the cache on demand. As you can see in the examples, there are different purge variations such as single URL, multiple pages, or the full CDN cache. And finally for this release, a new traffic filter rule enhancement. Traffic filters allow you to configure and block unwanted traffic. This enhancement allows you to configure alerts to be received via email when your traffic filter rules are triggered, so you can take appropriate measures. So these are just some of the highlights from this recent release. For more information, check out the release notes at the link provided. Also, we'd love to talk to you on Experience League, so come and join the community.